Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visualforce Custom Controller. Custom Controller are Apex classes that provide custom logic and operations for Visualforce pages. Unlike standard controllers, which are automatically provided by Salesforce for standard objects like account, contact, opportunity, and many more, custom controllers gives developers more control and flexibility over the page behavior and allows them to perform complex operations. So let's see an example. Create an account and associated contact record using custom controller, where we want to create a Visualforce page that allows user to enter an account details and simultaneously create a contact associated with that account. We will use a custom controller to handle this logic, which includes saving both the account and contact records. We need to create Apex class. Create the custom controller Apex class. The class will have logic to create an account and a contact. It will include methods for saving the records and potentially error handling for validation. Apex class handles the creation of an account and a related contact. The save records method inserts the account first and then set the account ID on the contact before inserting it. This method also handles error situations by adding a message to the page. Visualforce page. Create the Visualforce page. We will use input fields for both account and contact details. We will provide a button to submit the data and call controller's save method. The page contains input fields for both account and contact information, which are bound to the properties account and contact in the controller. When the user clicks the save button, the save records method will invoke, creating both the account and contact records. If any error occurs, they will be displayed using the Apex message tag. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. And to create the Visualforce page and Apex class, we need to click on Setup, gear icon, Developer Console, right click and open link in new tab. So to create the Apex class, we need to click on File, New, Apex class. By the name Visualforce Custom Controller. Click OK. So in this Apex class, we are writing public account ACC get set, public contact CON get set, and creating the instance of both account and contact, and method page reference save records is a method. So here we are trying to insert the account, redirect to the accounts detail page after successful save. So it will like this only, return new page reference slash in the single quotes plus acc.id. If any error occurs, then we are using catch exception, handle any errors and display the error message on the page. So the error e.get message will display the error, return null, then closing. Save this. Then we are going to create a Visualforce page. File, new, Visualforce page. Here I am creating by the same name what we had created in the Apex class Visualforce Custom Controller. Click OK. So here we are providing the controller Visualforce Custom Controller, this Apex class name, then title create new account and contact. Here account details is here, account information, account name, phone, industry, then contact information, first name, last name and contact email. Then we are calling save records method, and finally if any error, it is displaying the error message. Click on preview. So create new account and contact. So account information is here and then contact information is here. So here we are providing the information, account name Hyundai Private Limited, phone is random phone, industry automobile, first name Will, last name Kaiser, will@gmail.com. Clicking on save button, it is creating the record and redirecting to account. So account, here account name, phone number and owner is this, and here we are seeing the contact details, Will Kaiser and email ID and all. Like this we are dealing with custom controller. So in this case we had created the Visualforce page and also Apex class to control that particular page. Thank you.